National Hot Dog Day. You should know some solid trivia about hot dogs, including knowing that the term itself was derived in the 19th century, at a time when German immigrants brought their own culinary traditions with them to the New World. It's believed they brought to New York America's first hot dogs, originally referred to as a dachshund sausage, for their long shape that resembled the beloved dachshund pups. Around 1870, Charles Feltman, a German immigrant, began to sell hot dogs out of a stand on Coney Island. He sold over 3,600 frankfurters in a bun that year alone. While we cannot be completely sure how or even when National Hot Dog Day was created, we do know that the day was created as a nod to National Hot Dog Month in July by the National Hot Dog and Sausage Council to highlight the fan favorite. Hot dogs became a household name in the late 19th century when casual food lover in baseball, team owner of the St. Louis Browns, better known to some as the Baltimore Orioles, Chris Fonda brought the two together at his own amusement park. Celebrating this day is fairly straightforward. Just make your hot dog your way and enjoy it however you'd like. Honestly, in the dog days of summer, who doesn't like a hot dog with all their favorite fixings? Thanks for watching.